Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that do not use any form of martingale. And I need to tell you one thing. I have won every single trade for 1 week now. Every single trade. So the win rate is 100% for me. Okay? And in the end of the video I will show you the trades and everything, so you can see all the trades I have been taking lately with this robot, so you can see the win rate I have. It's pretty amazing. So let's hope I keep the winning streak in this video. You can use this robot also. It's free to download. Just use the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you will find a link to my WhatsApp community. There I share my forex trades and I share my binary option trades, and we did super good today. So you lost out if you're not a part of this group. Also, yeah, I forgot to tell you, in the link for this robot is included a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit. So, but it's only if you deposit more than $100, so keep that in mind. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, then if you have any question at all, put them below the video. But now, let's start off Alpha Master.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away, run away, run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day. Through the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes, and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away, 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 got nowhere to.
So this time around we actually got a little lucky. Let's go now to the trade. You can see we opened our beautiful trade. Was exactly down in the spike here. You see that this was a support from before. We'd go up, and right away when the trade was down we shoot down. So in some way it was good trade, but some way was also little luck, I will say. So almost you can see, for the people that always want to see my trades, here you can see all the trades, so you can see, yes, there are only winners. But yes, today I got a little lucky, I need to admit. But the way I would have done, if I had lost this trade, I would have taken 2 more trades, and as you can see, with a win rate like this, we are quite golden. So I just do 1 trade a day, I don't see any reason to more. I'd rather take one $550. Before, if you see my sessions, my trading sessions I have done in the past on my channel, I did a lot of trades, and I did take but I did smaller bids, and I made like $100 a day. Now I see I make around $500 a day, one trade, and I'm winning everything, okay, every time. But of course, yes, my words are not coming perfectly out of my mouth, but it's early morning, so take it as it is. I'm not a type that I don't like to edit my videos. I'm lazy that way, because I'm after lazy fast money, and that's the way I'm going to keep it. So to show you this again, we did enter a quite beautiful trade, but like I said, we did break down, and when we look closer on it, we can see that he actually did close below the one here. So in some way, yes, the trade, and he got a retest like here, so we were lucky. I think he did open a little too late. He should open here, but for our case that was good, because he opened on the spike down here. But in that case, yes, we got lucky. So now let's go over here and take a look at the trade we just did take. Here you see the one from yesterday. We only take one today, so let's take for today and apply. So then we can see we made yet again a $506 profit. Looks like that is what we are typically earning. If we take for the last 7 days, you can see, I think you see 6 trades, 100% win rate. Honestly, I have no idea how good we are doing. It's quite amazing. And you see here the average we are making basically 506, 506, 506, 506, 506, and then we have one at 456. But 506 is the typical we make, so I'm pretty happy with that. So let me see if I can remove this annoying robot for you, so you can see all the numbers the same like I see. There, now you see a little better. So what can I say? This robot has been amazing for me. So you see here, we are just winning every single trade. So we are printing money here. And also, talking about printing money, I did super good in my session today. You can also be a part of this session. Just use the link below the video and join my Telegram or WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, I also share my binary option trades, and there I did good today. I did 5 trades, I got 1 loser. So what can I say? That is amazing. So if you want to join that, just use the link you find below the video. It's a WhatsApp community. I share all my Forex and binary option trades again. So join that. Now, that's it for today. Have an amazing day.